Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on Meetin Veg. I am Kelly, as usual. I just want to do a real quick video because I don't have a whole lot of time today, but I am dying to open this box, but I didn't want to open it without you. So I figured you might want to see what I got in here. Earlier this month, I had another birthday and I turned a lot of years old. And for my birthday, I got some gift certificates to places of my choice. And because I love specialty foods and fancy things of that sort, I figured some boxes of fancy things to try out would be fun. So the first place that I chose was Milk Street. I had not done any business with them before, and I gotta tell you, I'm loving the hell out of them. Like, I'm really enjoying it. I went to place my order, and as I was about to put it through, something popped up on my computer. I think it was one of my Chrome extensions, and it was like, hey, you've got like a $15 coupon or something. And I was like, oh shit. Okay, so I added more stuff to my thing. And then it was like, hey, do you want free shipping? All you have to do is like pay $1 and get like a 12-week subscription. It's a trial subscription. They start charging you afterwards, but they let you know before they start charging you. And you get like a couple of issues of their magazine, and you get access to all of their recipes, one of which I have already made, and it was delicious. So far I'm really happy. And then they started sending me these emails like they know my mind. They know what I want, and they know how to market to me. These people are dangerous, okay? They're like, hey, how about you get like a super good deal on one of our beautiful cookbooks, and we'll give you a $15 credit to our store so you have an excuse to buy more stuff. And I was like, you son of a bitch, I'm in. So the first of my cookbooks came. It's called The New Rules. I already made one recipe from this. It was it's a lamb stew recipe with chickpeas, and it was like delicious. Even Brian ate it. So I've been happy with them so far. Great recipes, great tips. They've got like an online community and stuff. They're not paying me to do this this video. If they would like to, like, you know, hit me up. I'm into it. But anyway, here's my box of stuff. These are the things that I ordered. It wasn't $1 million gift certificate, so like, you know, it's just like enough to have a little bit of fun. Plus I had that $15 credit, so, you know, technically slightly more stuff. So, haha. I haven't even opened it. I've been so excited, but I was like, Kelly, hold off. You know, do a video. So, it's well packaged so far, that bunch of that stuff. Okay. One thing I really love is that I have a tendency to just sort of forget about things, and I'm not great at keeping track of things, especially like details of things. So I very often will like order a bunch of stuff and then forget what I ordered. So I love surprises, and I love getting things in the mail. So I get my box of stuff and I'm like, surprise, it's all this cool stuff that just happens to be stuff that I wanted because I'm the one who ordered it. So, you know. So the first thing I've got is, this is Red Boat salt. And Red Boat, these are the people who make the really good fish sauce, which I have in my fridge. And I mean, it tastes like fish sauce is supposed to taste. And this is supposed to be sort of, I guess, infused with that flavor. It's got anchovy and sea salt, and that's like it. And your girl likes some anchovies. Here's a tip. If you have a lot of brothers, or if you live somewhere where there's a lot of people and you are constantly sharing food, learn to like anchovies. You will always have pizza to yourself, and you will always have leftovers. That's how I came to like anchovies. I have 4 brothers. Do the math. So I got that. Then my one non-food item. This dude right here. I saw this and I was like, that is smart. So it's a special kind of, it's a strainer basket. It's called a spider strainer basket. And this is so, like, if you have a pot of water that you're cooking something in and you want to like boil a little bit of pasta in there or something, you do it all sort of contained. or, you know, when I'm sometimes making like a tuna noodle casserole or something like that, you know, I'll cook the pasta and peas together, but sometimes one will cook at a different rate than another, and I'm not great with timing all that stuff out, so I can just, you know, take it all out at once instead of straining like 5 peas at a time to get it out so they're not overcooking while my pasta's it's just good for people whose brain don't work like mine don't work, okay? So I'm excited to try it. I'm gonna play around with it and see what I can do. Eee, there's so many things in here. Okay, I'm gonna unwrap it over here. I'm not doing anything secret. There's nothing up my sleeve. I'm just aware that it makes noise, and any kind of rustling or anything I've noticed gets like super loud. So this one is a Turkish pepper paste, a traditional Turkish biber sosu made with red peppers. Oh yeah, it looks really yummy, and it's like all dark red. Once open, keep refrigerated for up for 4 weeks. I appreciate that, because like, let me tell you, I'm a slut for condiments. And I have a real hard time with, like, I'll open something and I'm not gonna drink this. So, you know, I need to know how long I can keep this in my fridge without murdering myself. Because sometimes you look at something and like, I'm not great with time. Like, I'm really not, I will probably mention that again, but I am not great with time. So I might put something in the fridge and I have no idea how long ago I put that in the fridge, and it could be 6 years, okay? I found something in my pantry that was literally like 6 years expired, and I might eat it. I mean, honestly, I don't know. So I appreciate that information. Hey, Kelly, I'm sure there's, you know, some, tips and tricks you can find on the internet to help you with that. Yeah, well, yeah, there probably are. Shut up. I don't judge your life. This is by the same company, same brand. These are both, what brand is this? Belazu Ingredient Company. They're very pretty bottles. I'm so excited about this, okay? It's a rose harissa. So harissa or harissa, it's a spice paste. It's a chili paste, and it's really flavorful and yummy. And you can put it on your vegetables when you roast them. You can make sauce from it. You can stir it into like some yogurt or into whatever you want, and it's super tasty. And this has rose petals in it, which I'm like fascinated by, and I want to know how that tastes. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it, but I'm really excited to try it. Because, you know, this whole channel and all these videos, they're not just about vegetables. They're mostly about vegetables, but they're also about trying new stuff. It's about broadening your horizons and, you know, tasting new things and seeing what you like. Okay. I'm sort of remembering now what my headspace was when I was ordering this stuff, and I think a lot of it's going to be peppers. Let's find out. Okay. Ooh. Pacu Jaya is the brand, and it's a Peruvian yellow chili concentrate. Oh yeah. And I was reading about it on the website. They do some really nice descriptions, and this just sounded super nice. They have a bunch of different Peruvian pepper concentrates, and the yellow one just sounded really interesting. So I am really looking forward to trying this out. But knowing that they're not all gonna last a million years once they're opened, like, I really wish I was opening all these right now and taste testing them, but then I have a bunch of things in my fridge that have to be eaten all at once. And like, I love peppers, but I'm not gonna drink like 6 jars of pepper concentrate. Like, I'm not, you know. Ooh, I've been really excited about this. Okay, Burlap Barrel is one of the companies that I almost asked for a gift certificate from, but it is available through other websites, so I was able to get something from them. This is black lime. It's ground black lime, and it's supposed to be kind of similar to sumac, where you get that nice light a citrusy flavor that just kind of brightens stuff up. And I really love sumac, and I'm almost out of it, so this is actually perfect. Our ground black lime is grown on a family farm in Guatemala, where ripe limes are dried in the sun until they oxidize, turning black and savory. It's a versatile ingredient common in Persian cooking. It's great on roasting meat or vegetables, in stews, and anywhere you'd use lime juice. which for me is just about everywhere because I love lime juice. So I'm really excited to try this. Actually, this is one thing I can open. It's a spice. It's gonna be good for a while. So get off, get off, get off. Let's just see. That smells really good. That smells, oh, okay. I can stick my finger in it, it's mine. Ooh. Oh, I like it, I like it, I like it. Okay, I'm very excited about that. That's another company that has their own like online community on Facebook, the Burlap Barrel. And those people, let me tell you, they love their spices. That's, they're pretty popular. Okay. What do we got here? Alyas Malaysian Kitchen. And what I don't know about Malaysian cooking could fill a library. So I'm really excited to learn about different styles of cooking from all around the world and stuff. I don't get to travel, so I get to, you know, my mouth gets to travel. That sounds bad. So this is a lime leaf sambal, which maybe I'm saying that right. I don't know. Sambal is my obsession. This mild chili paste, that's okay, that's fine. This mild chili paste features the fragrant leaves of the makrut lime tree, which I think is now what we're calling a type of lime that was, like the name of it was super racist in other countries, which we were all just saying and not aware of that. And then I saw some movies where they used it like in context, you know, of like being racist, and I was like, I don't want to say that word anymore. That feels gross. And so I think, and I'll have to double check this, but I think now they're calling it makrut lime, which is another name for it. So let's do the not racist name. Let's see, I love it in seafood and veggie dishes, use it as a dip or a spread or to add flavor to any of your favorite recipes, blah, blah, blah. And then they've got a website where I can go and look up some other recipes, which I will, because I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. But that's the fun of it, you just try stuff. Oh, it's the last thing, there's only one thing left. But still, this has been really fun. I love getting boxes of things. And like I said, like, I am such a slut for condiments and sauces and specialty foods and fancy things in jars. So, ooh, Brooklyn Deli, spelled deli like New Delhi. Roasted garlic achar, A-C-H-A-A-R. It's an Indian garlic chili sauce. I did say I was like in a chili kind of headspace at the time. It's a flavor-packed Indian condiment. Use it like a hot sauce spread or cooking paste. Spicy, savory, lemony, sweet. Apparently I was also in a citrusy kind of mood, like citrus and chili. But like I very often am. So this is all gonna be great for me. Oh, they've got a recipe right on the jar. I like that. And it's for Taj Mahal of avocado toast. Okay. So basically it's just some toast and some avocado, and then you put this on there. It's not really much of a recipe. I borrowed a cookbook from the library one time and it had a recipe for grapes. Ingredients, grapes. Directions, eat some grapes. Like, good job, guys. Okay. And that's it. That's all that's in there. And then, is that a coupon? Nah, that would have been great if that was a coupon. I'd be like, damn, you guys know me. Okay. That is it. I do have other boxes to unbox, but I will make them their own video. Thank you for watching and hanging out with me. And I hope that you hang out with me again.